Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is very special video for all traders, especially if you are struggling to become successful. If you want to succeed in this market, you must understand your exact performance. You need to know which trading pairs are best for you, which pair perform well with your strategy, what time of day suits your trading style, and exactly which day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, you perform the best. You should also find out whether you earn more from buy trades or sell trades. These are the key things every trader keeps track of if he wants to succeed. In fact, every successful trader reviews these details weekly and adjusts their strategy accordingly. In this video, I am going to teach you how to read your trading account report in MT5. So let's get started. To explain this, I chose this MT5 trading account and I am testing an order block strategy on it. It has shown 53% growth in just 2 months. If you want to learn this strategy and get full course, feel free to send me a message on WhatsApp. To read your report in MT5, click on History, then right-click on any trade. Click on Report and then choose Overview. Here you will see the account details. In Summary tab, you can see gross profit, gross loss, total net profit, maximum drawdown, trades per week, average holding time. Below you can also see your growth and maximum drawdown. This is your balance graph. Click on growth to view your growth and drawdown chart. Now click on the profit loss tab. Here you can view your daily profits. Below that, you will see the commission you pay to your broker, including the spread. You will also find the average profit factor by day. As you can see, this strategy gives the best results on Monday. Next, click on the long and short tab. Here you can check total long trades and short trades, win ratio for both long and short trades, average profit and average loss per trade. Now go to Symbols tab. This shows your strategy's results on different pairs. As you can see, it's performing best on gold and BTC, but it's losing on US30. So to improve results, we should avoid trading US30 with this strategy. Next, go to Risk tab. Here you will see your best and worst trades, maximum consecutive wins and losses, maximum consecutive profit and losses. This is how you read your MT5 trading report to improve your strategy and become a successful trader. I hope you learned everything clearly. If you want to get full course, send message on WhatsApp. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.